So Mike, how is it safer than a hand car wash?
Well, the new foam technology is ultra soft and ultra smooth. And as the car passes by, the foam hits the car, takes the dirt off, and as it spins, the water is hitting the foam and leaving the dirt and soil on the ground. In the old-fashioned way when we did it before with the hand car wash, the car would come through, we would rub the car by hand, which was the safest way to do it until this came out just recently. But if there was dirt on the car, we would take the hand and keep moving it and go along the side of your car, spreading dirt. But this technology is so soft, and as a revolution, it takes everything off. And there's no way you can scratch a car or damage a car. We don't have to take the antennas off, and it comes through a shine like you've never seen before. So therefore, I was a hand car wash for 8 years. And now this is the best way to do it, so I made the investment. And from now on, it won't be a hand car wash anymore.
That sounds great.
Drier and safer. And shiny.
We're experiencing the new technology at Champion Car Wash. And this is the result, a nice, shiny, clean car.